I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 38 under Test of Orals Section 4. Now the instruction is from the words lettered A to D. Choose the one that has the correct stress. So we have the word given to us, interrogate. Now interrogate has 4 syllables. Interrogate. So we are asked which has the correct stress pattern. So in option A we have the first syllable stressed, B we have the second syllable stressed, C we have the third syllable stressed, D we have the fourth syllable stressed. So the rule for this is words that contain the suffix ate. So words that contain this suffix ate have different or have a particular stress pattern depending on whether these words are verbs or nouns and adjectives. Now for nouns and adjectives, 4 syllable words that contain the suffix ate, you have the stress pattern in the second syllable. While for verbs that are 4 syllable verbs with the suffix ate, you have the stress in the second syllable as well. So the word given to us, interrogate, is a verb, and we said the rule governing this is that the second syllable is stressed. So in option B given to us, the second syllable is stressed. Therefore the correct answer is B, with the second syllable stressed. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.